Okay, we're gonna go outside and check out the storm. Supposedly this is the storm of a generation. We're here on Centerview Island in the middle of Muskoka. The island is located within Lake Vernon. And well, let's see what's happening. We got winter. Yeah. I don't know if I want to actually go out for a walk in this. Quite an experience. Very strong winds. Wow. I don't know if the camera picks up the howling of the wind. Very hard on the eyeballs. I'm gonna head down to the boathouse. And here we got the lake. No ice yet. Pretty ferocious. Wind's blowing strong. And head back up to the house. Hard to breathe walking through the snow. Holy cow. Well, there's Ingrid. Nice and cozy and warm inside. Christmas lights are going. You can see the fireplace going. Yep. Power stove is going, kicking out the heat. It's a beautiful 23 degrees inside. That turbine is howling. It's the only source of power right now besides the generator, which does need to come on. On the internet, you see people discussing turbines when you're living off grid like we do, and there's a debate about whether or not it's worth having a wind turbine. Well, I gotta tell you, on days like this, yep, having a turbine is a great thing. I think the north side gets it all. OMG. getting exhausted. Yeah, there's a lot of snow up there. Shit.